Let's learn how to reply to specific messages on Instagram. If you're messaging with somebody on Instagram and you want to reply to a specific message, maybe they message you a bunch of different things, and you wanted to reply to something that was 3-4 messages ago, so I'm going to show you 2 different options to do that. First, let's open Instagram app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, swipe to the left to go on your direct messages. Then go on chat with someone you want. You can see that person send me a bunch messages at once, and I want to reply to this "How are you?" So the first way to reply message is to message you want, swipe to right, and Instagram show you pop-up menu over the fields where messages are written. The other way to reply message is to go long press on message you want. In my case, that message is "I'm your fan." Then Instagram show you menu with couple options, and you need to go reply. That is first option. And now you can write a text and continue texting with person you want. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.